Hey guys, welcome back to the Windswept Cowboy. Today we are coming at you pre-recorded because my daughter-in-law is being induced today and we kind of want to be available for that. So we are coming at you with a really super cool project where we take 4 pieces of 2x4 and I'm going to stencil HME on there and then add some cute little filler pieces for the O. So stay tuned. I started out with 2x4s that I cut 4 3/4 inches, and then I have these stencils that I'm going to stencil H, M, and E on there, and then these are going to be in place of my O, and I'm just going to affix them with glue dots, and before I do that, I will be painting them white. Right now we're going to head back out to the garage and we're going to do a torched finish on our wood blocks.
Alright. Back over there.
Yay!
Yay, look at them.
They're beautiful.
Are they hot?
They're warm, but they're not, yeah.
Warm wood.
Yes.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
So yeah, we're gonna go inside and paint our stencil and our little pieces.
Perfect. We'll see you there.
Alright, I am going to attempt a stencil without taping it down. And I'm just eyeballing, so yes, all of these are dangerous, and I do not recommend it.
This is a very dangerous project.
Yes.
You didn't even know.
Well, it was, you know, working with the saw and flame. So
That's right.
There you go. But this is the most dangerous.
Alright, I'm gonna zoom in on you here.
I'm using a very non-traditional stencil brush, but that's what I have.
It's her favorite weird brush. And if you've been with the channel for a long time, you know. Oh,
I threw that one away.
Oh, that's
this
right.
would be the other one.
Yeah.
But I think I don't want to get it everywhere. I guess I probably wouldn't. But as you can tell, that is what I usually pounce with. It's like all frayed and crazy.
Oh, yeah. I can't believe you threw away your favorite brush.
I did. It was that bad.
Wow. I never thought I'd live to see the day.
So I'm going to try and hold this down best as possible and pounce.
Yes. So basically, she's just trying not to get paint under the stencil.
Yes.
And that's why pouncing is great.
And also a drier brush. It's not like dripping with paint. It's very dry.
Yes. I guess any other stenciling techniques other than, you know, usually you tape your stencil?
Yes, taping your stencil is recommended, and stencil brushes are recommended, but not necessary if you're a rebel like me.
If you're a pro.
No, I don't call myself a pro.
Just
I'm a rebel.
Okay. You heard it here first, folks.
I am a rebel.
There.
And I'm hoping this works.
If not, there's always the backside, right?
Yeah.
And this isn't technically live, so you guys might not ever see this footage.
I could go sand it down and no one would ever know.
Nope, that's right. Ooh, that's evil. Mistakes? What mistakes?
No mistakes.
Never
here.
mistakes. No way.
Those of you who have watched me long enough know I make mistakes.
You saw last week's live.
Oh God.
Which technically we shot today. This is, today is Monday the 11th that we're shooting this. So we're trying to get ahead of the game. Trying. We'll see. We'll see how this project turns out.
So we can be available for baby.
Yes. Everyone needs to be available.
Well, and they are also moving at the same time.
That's I think the thing.
So we need all hands on deck.
Yes.
All right, ready?
Yes. Oh, that looks great. I love it.
I mean, I could technically like connect that.
I like it.
Just like that, broken?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And obviously that one gets a special treatment.
Yes.
So we're gonna move on to the M.
Okay, so what I think I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna move the camera angle, everyone, and we're gonna time lapse the rest of these, okay?
Perfect. One more step to go, and that is to fix our star on where O would normally be. And like I said, I'm just using these glue dots. These are removable, so this shouldn't have any problem coming off when I want to change them out, hopefully.
Hopefully. Yep, we'll find out. We'll let you know in a couple months.
And I'm just going to add two, I think, just like one on top and one on bottom. And I'm going to center it the best I can. That looks pretty good to me. And then just press it down.
Cute.
And then we have our star. You know,
Yay.
That's cute just like that, guys.
Yeah, it really is.
I love that. All right, I'm going to set it up and show you if I can spell correctly
I'll let you know.
for you.
There
Did I do it? Did I spell it right?
Good job.
Hey. So yeah, home. And now we can just switch out. Of course, I will need to be on the lookout for some different holiday ones, but we just picked up what Michael's had today. And that was the most important one that we were after, so
Yes,
that
and we
worked.
found it.
Yes. So I'm going to display this proudly, and I hope you guys try this. This was so much fun. If you do not have a way of cutting wood, Home Depot used to before all of the pandemic. Yeah. So they may have gone back to being able to do that. I don't know. So inquire inside, find out. They can cut these for you if you buy the piece of wood, and then you don't have any cutting involved. You can just stain it, paint it, whatever to match your own decor.
Yes.
All right, so you guys go and have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.